How to reload or recover Steam Cloud saves. So if you want to reload or recover Steam Cloud saves, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Steam. After opening your Steam, here you need to just go with your library, and under library, you need to go with home. And here you will have all of your games, right? So you just need simply go and select a game. After selecting, here you will have cloud option. So you need to go and turn on your cloud. And if it is not updated, then you will have the cloud status right here, right beside the play. You need to just tap on cloud status, and it will uh, save your game to the cloud. It will be updated. You'll have up to date text, and you will have the last played and playtime and achievements, everything. You'll have every option right here. So you can also just simply right click on your game. After that, you need to go with properties. Under properties, here you may have an option of privacy, and under that, you may have cloud option. Or you can also go with general, and under general, here you will have Steam Cloud. Make sure that you've enabled the Steam Cloud option for that game. After turning on the Steam Cloud option, then you'll be able to reload or recover your Steam Cloud saves. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.